Welcome to watch the promotional video of Shandong Glass Co. Ltd. The annual production capacity of this company is 15 万 tons. The range of products includes crystal high white, white and over 4,000 other varieties, as well as hand-formed bottles. Moreover, it can be designed and manufactured according to customer requirements. First, the buyer communicates with us. Then, our professional designers will assist you in creating 3D design drawings. The department responsible for making the molds will carry out the mold processing according to the drawings, ensuring precision. The melted liquid glass will be poured into the mold and shaped by pressing. The mechanical arm will then remove the hot glass bottles and place them on the conveyor belt. The workers will pack the completely cooled bottles, place the packed bottles in the warehouse temporarily and wait for the logistics company to pick them up.